Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford Explorer with keys locked inside. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a plastic or inflatable wedge, often called an air wedge, and a long reach tool, which is essentially a long rod with a hook or loop. Always ensure your vehicle is parked in a safe, level spot before you begin. Remember, patience and a steady hand are key to a successful and damage-free entry. Now, let's create a small gap in your door frame. Take your plastic or inflatable wedge and carefully insert it into the top corner of the driver's side door, near the B-pillar. Once positioned, gently pump the air wedge to slowly pry the door away from the frame. You're aiming for an opening of about 1/2 to 1 inch, just enough space to insert your long reach tool without damaging the paint or weather stripping. With your gap established, it's time to use the long reach tool. Carefully slide the tool through the opening you've created. Guide it towards the interior door handle or the unlock button on the door panel. Many Ford Explorers have a pull-up lock or a button you can press. Take your time and be precise. Avoid jabbing or forcing the tool, which could scratch your interior or damage the locking mechanism. A gentle touch is best here. If the long reach method proves difficult, don't despair. There are other options. Many Ford Explorers feature a 5-digit keypad on the driver's door, allowing entry with a preset code. Always check if you have a spare key, perhaps with a family member or hidden in a magnetic box under the vehicle. If all else fails, contacting roadside assistance or a professional locksmith is always a safe and reliable choice to regain access without causing damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.